Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Lexus RX 350. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle or inserted into its designated slot. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your right foot. Then, locate and push the engine start/stop button. You'll hear the engine come to life and your dashboard lights will illuminate, indicating the car is ready to go. With the engine running, it's time to get moving. Shift the gear selector into D for drive. If your parking brake is engaged, release it by pressing the button or pulling the lever, depending on your model. Now, gently and smoothly press the accelerator pedal. The Lexus RX 350 will begin to move forward, allowing you to control your speed. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. As you drive, remember to use your turn signals for every turn and lane change to communicate your intentions. Always adjust your side and rearview mirrors before driving to ensure you have clear visibility around your vehicle. Also, take a moment to understand your dashboard. Those warning lights and gauges provide crucial information about your Lexus RX 350 status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.